I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Monday, November 10th. Soybeans were in the lead for grains and oilseeds with the ongoing cautious optimism about the trade deal framework recently reached between the United States and China. Still, there are a lot of unknowns about this, and while China is pledged to buy more U.S. soybeans in the very near future, the timeline's uncertain, and China does typically buy the lowest priced beans on the market, which right now are found in Brazil. Corn was up modestly, watching very late U.S. harvest activity along with the planting and development conditions in Argentina and Brazil. Corn export inspections were solid, well above a year ago. And the trade in general is also getting ready for the USDA's supply, demand, and production update, which is out this Friday, along with CONAB's updated numbers for Brazil. And wheat was higher, supported by short covering, continuing to find buying interest around these price levels. But U.S. wheat is priced above key export competitors, and that's probably going to limit the upside here going forward. There was also just some bullishness in commodities in general, with the U.S. government possibly reaching the end of the shutdown, potentially opening as soon as Thursday of this week. Live and feeder cattle were sharply higher, remaining volatile, oversold and due for a bounce, with the box beef up at midday. Live cattle did see some limit gains in that pit, but feeders were mostly limit up, and they'll have an expanded trading limit on Tuesday. Direct cattle markets are quiet. This week's show list looks mixed when compared to last week. And hogs closed higher on a combination of oversold signals, the sharply higher midday move in pork, and spillover from that strength in cattle. With the closing market minute for Monday, November 10th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.